Welcome back, everybody. Thank you guys for tuning in. I hope you're having good luck with your gardening and all of your projects. And without further ado, let's get to today's project. So we finally got the second battery pack topped off, well, not topped off, but level and almost topped off. It was going to take another week or so I said to heck with it. I disconnected the charger and I let the batteries level out. So now we got them all hooked up. We ran into an issue with the wiring harness. There was a pinched wire somewhere, so instead of fishing it out, I just took the whole thing off and replaced it with the new harness that I had. I have backups, and I have backup battery management systems. I know I keep calling them battery monitoring systems, but they're actually management systems. But here we are. We've got both packs hooked up now. We've got both of the shunts over here. I'll probably change all this stuff around, but you can see some information there. This is pulling about 1,000 watts using 168 watt hours. This one's up to 82 kilowatt hours. That's the total power I've used so far, not the total power the batteries have, because that would be insane. But this one I just hooked up, so right now it looks like most of the power is coming from this guy, since it's a fresh battery pack. And we'll probably do some more managing here. Just kind of getting some ideas on how to mount things up here. We got the on-off switch attached to the frame, and it's safe. This does not touch the metal bolts on the outside. It is separate, so there's plastic and insulated. And then we've got all of our bus bars hooked up underneath there. Still a little messy right now, and I still want to do some more stuff with this. I don't like the way this is hanging here. Ideally we'll want it off, not with no pressure on this, because this is just a bunch of thin wires on the inside of this. So but I wanted to show some of the progress. I've been kind of slacking on things out here. It's been rainy. It's raining right now, as a matter of fact. But today I said to heck with it. I'm going to come out here and I'm going to get this set up. So I got this pack back in parallel. It's in series. It was in parallel. So it's matching this one here. So we've got both of them hooked up and running now. It's very exciting. I've been using this pack right now, right here, for several weeks now, and I've had the air conditioning running 24/7, and I have had no problems. Once I get the battery management settings dialed in, we are good to go. When I started this, I had no idea what I was doing. I was just kind of learning as I went, watching YouTube videos and trying to glean some information from other YouTubers. Let's see, we are set up now to where we can plug computers in, but the laptop I ordered is a Chromebook and not a laptop, so we can't install the software on it because the software is not compatible with the Chromebook. Luckily the Chromebook was like $30. I bought a used refurbished one, so no big deal. I can use it for something else. So we're gonna have to order another actual laptop, not a Chromebook. Not order things without really researching them. I didn't really know much about Chromebooks, so I figured it would work, but it didn't. But that's okay. Here we are. Still got a mess to clean up. Gotta clean up all this wiring down here. But essentially we're up and running at full power, so this is absolutely exciting. So from here on forward, we should be good with power. So now we need to save up and buy another inverter charge controller so we can get 220 out of this guy. So we'll stick two of these guys in parallel and we can have 220. And then we can hook up the CNC plasma table at full power instead of at 120, because it runs at 120 and 220 or 240. So we'll be able to play with that at full power and see what that does. Right now we're able to run everything else, no problem. We've got the freezer that's been running out here for almost a week, and it's still running fine. We haven't had any issues with that. We do get a lot of dirt on top of it, so I plan to build a box around this, like an external box, and then we'll leave the vents open on the side so it can breathe. But yeah, there we go. Looks like we're gonna call it a day. It's raining outside. I'm gonna make some food and spend the rest of the day being lazy. So thank you guys for tuning in. If you have any questions or comments, pop those in down below, and as always, keep building, try to be good to each other. Some of us aren't here for very long, and a little bit of kindness will go a long way. So God bless you all, and peace. And shout out to Rowan, Ember, and Riken. And Ember's mom, thanks for the hat.